All right, good afternoon, everyone. Today we're going to be learning how to create ads on Google Ads. And Google Ads is essentially a platform that you use to create ads on Google. So you know all those ads that you see on Google or when you're browsing on the internet. Google Ads is that tool or that platform that people use or digital marketers use to create those type of ads. So to create ads on Google, we're going to be using a platform called Google Ads, and to do that, we're just going to type ads.google.com on our browser. So this is the URL they're going to be typing ads.google.com. And when you do that, you would have to sign in your Gmail account and log in. When you do that, then you will come to this particular page that I'm on. Now, when you come to this particular page that you're on, obviously when you get to your login, you'd have to like fill in your details, log into your Gmail account. That is, you have to if you don't have a Google Ads account, you would have to create one using your Gmail. So once you do that and following all the steps, you would come to this page where you have to create a new campaign. So once you click on new campaign, you would arrive at this page. Now, on this particular page, this is where we're going to create the campaign or the ads that we're going to run. So on this page, you have it's just a simple step-by-step process where they're going to be asking you questions, and then you would answer the questions as it suits your needs. So for this particular one, it's asking what's your main advertising goal. For some people, they would want to get business calls. Some people they want to get more people to, go to their websites. So for some people, they want more people to. They want visit and they want visit to their physical location. And for some people, they want to get more views and engagement on YouTube. Now, in regards to this is our ads that will be displayed on YouTube. So ads that you see on YouTube are created using this type of um, feature here. So for my example, I'm going to create I'm going to create an ad that's going to help me attract more sales and leads through my website. Yeah, that's what I'm going to do. So when I click on next, I will just have to fill in the information that I need to fill. So it's asking, okay, now it's time to write your ad. The more headlines and description lines you provide, the more combinations will be tested to learn which perform the best over time. So what this is saying is that the more headlines and descriptions you provide this um to this input, the more combinations will be tested to learn which perform best like over time. So you just have to like input different headlines, and you'll be able to see which one is performing best on it. So for this particular one, I'm just going to create a headline that is in line with the campaign I'm currently running on. I'm sorry, in line with the campaign I'm currently working on. So I'm going to say um, Australia. Program. Okay, locate. So I'm going to say relocate to Australia in 6 to 12 months. 6 months to 6 months. That's too much word counts. Hmm. Okay. I'm going to cut this one. So a lot of the things that I'm doing here, I'm using keywords that are relevant to what people will be searching for, and also in line with what I'm creating as well. So this campaign that I'm working on is supposed to be a sandbox program that helps professionals, tech professionals, and millennials relocate to Australia in 6 to 12 months. And if people are looking to relocate from Nigeria or from other countries to Australia, and they are searching for things like this on the internet, my ads would likely be on their browser or be on their search engine result page because um, I targeted it with this particular keyword, and I targeted it to using the demographic that are searching for stuff like this. So it's the keywords are there: Australia Sandbox Program, relocate to Australia today, Australia skilled worker visa, things like that. So I'm just going to add a description here. So the description is basically, so if you look at this section, there's a preview for you to see what the ad would look like, this particular site. So you can see what the ad would look like before you run the ad. So under this description, you can talk about like the information about it. Just a place for you to type information about the program or information about more information about the ads that you're running. So it's like a small brief about the ad. Let's talk about this. Let's say relocate 6 to 12 months. 6 to So I've typed in the brief. I can just type in basically small information about what my ad is about so that people get to, be informed before they even click the ad because your ad is supposed to contain things that, your target audience wants to see. So once I put that there, it's just going to be visible and they get to know what it's about before even clicking the ad. So I put this here. So do I want my phone number to be on the ad so I can choose to opt for this or but I want my phone number to be on the ad so people can call my phone number. So I'm just gonna put my phone number there. I'm just gonna put any number so that it would surface for now. Four. Okay, I think that is correct. So the next thing I'm just going to click is next. My descriptions are different and unique. Okay, so it doesn't want me to repeat the same thing here. Um, okay. Okay. Okay, so I have that. Just click on next. So it's asking me to input some keywords that match the searches to my ad. So it says add keyword themes to match your ad to searches. I'm going to add a new keyword. I'm going to add relocate Australia. Going to add another keyword, Jackma. Going to add another keyword, talent accelerator. With other basically I just want to add keywords that I know that are in line with what my target audience is going to be searching for, so that when these keywords are you know tagged with the search intent, Google would likely promote my ads or show my ads to this person that is searching for it. So I have most of my keywords in there. Tech, um, these are I think that's enough. I can also choose the language I want to advertise in. Obviously, I'm advertising in English, so I'm going to just continue this. Up next, show your ad in the right places. So I can choose where I want my ads to be, shown, or where I want people to see my ads from, whether they're in Nigeria, Australia, wherever they are in the world. I can choose where I want them to see the ads. So it says advertise in specific postcode cities or regions. So I'm just going to advertise in let me see, Lagos, Lagos, Lekki, Benin, um, Medium, it's not bad, Ada. It's not coming up. So let's see, Keja. Okay, what other areas? So I'm going to cancel the ones that I don't need. Where else? Where else? Where else? We basically I'm just going to use locations that I want my ads to be shown, and this where these people are. If these people are in these particular areas that I've tagged, my ads are going to be shown to these particular people. And it's not just that; it's going to use also the keywords that I created. If people in these areas are typing those keywords that I created, they are going to be seeing my ads because they are in this location, and because they are searching, because their search intent is also matching the keywords that I use. So that's how it works. So after I've done this, I'm going to click on next. Then I'll set a budget for my campaign. You only pay for clicks. Hold on. So it says you only pay for clicks on your ad. Some days you might spend less than your daily average, and others you might spend more. But over the months, you won't pay. more than your monthly. So you on this particular page you can set your budget and change the currency. You can run your ads in different currencies. You can choose to run your ads in dollars, pounds, whatever currency. But it's limited though. You can't run your ads in naira here. You'll be spending dollars. Okay, yeah, there's naira. All right, so you can choose the number of days you would run your ads for. So you have to select a budget option. So there are different options here. There's a 462 naira daily average, and the monthly max is 14,000 naira. The estimated clicks is about 160 to 410 ad clicks per month. That's how much. That's the estimate of how much um, clicks you're going to get in a month. Also, there's a package for 1,233 naira, and what you'll be spending in a month is 37,483 max. So it's capped at what you spend in a month is capped, and your estimate for this is 440 to 1,100 clicks per month. Basically, you just have to choose, what budget works for you, or you can choose to enter your own budget, right? When you choose to enter your own budget, you are working with an open check where you are going to be spending whatever amount is convenient for you. So I can choose to increase my budget to, um, let's say 7,000, and look at what the estimate is. The estimate is giving me 2,610 to about 6,400 ad clicks each month. And how much I'll be spending in that month is actually 219,610 naira. So that's the estimate of how much I would spend if I'm using my own budget. Obviously, if I was doing like the budget option, I would stick with all of this. But I can also use my own budget and use the blank check that I have to just spend my money on the ads. I would implore that you guys read, every little detail that Google has to offer. So here is saying, performance mark campaigns use your conversion goals and the best of Google Ads automation to serve ads on all Google properties, ensuring that you reach your customers at the right time with the right ads. So you can learn more about this with this particular link. So you can switch to performance max campaign. That is if you're spending more than obviously like 13,000 naira a day. But you can still like stick with what we're currently doing. And then once you set your budget, you just click on next, and it will take you to where you'd have to review your campaign, see everything that you have set. So I've set all I've set the name of my campaign, I've included my website, I've included my business name, I've included the headlines for my campaign, I've included the description, what I want people to see, I've included a phone number so that they can call me, I've included the locations where I want my ads to be displayed. I also included keywords that are relevant to my ad and also relevant to the search intent of people that are likely interested in my ads. I also included my budget, and the next thing is just to pay and get over with it. So it's saying that so I have to choose my country, time. Okay, something went wrong here. Okay, I think it's not compatible. I think it's because I chose Naira. Let me see. Let me change the currency to dollars. Let me see if it's going to change. I've also reduced how much I'll be spending. Okay, so I think you can't pay with naira on Google Ads. You have to spend dollars on Google Ads. So that's why I was seeing error there. What else? I'm going to add my payment profile um, here. That's it. So I'm just going to add basic information about myself, the payment method, um, if I'm using my card. Okay, I think I should just fill this. Create. So it's going to take me to where I would input my card details. It's a step-by-step process. So I can add my debit card or credit card. So I'll add my card number, security code, and save the card. Right. Once I do that, I would now be able to. Once I do that, I will now be able to submit my ads. Once I click on submit, but it's not going to do that now because I'm not adding my card details, obviously. But that's essentially how you run a campaign on Google Ads. Um, Yeah, that's it. I'm sure that it's a straightforward process. You just have to follow the instructions that you are seeing on the platform, read it carefully, and make sure that you're filling in the right details. So I'm sure that you guys noticed that there were like some roadblocks when I was in this process where I tried to use Naira and it didn't work. So I had to change the currency to dollars. So just have to follow the process and fill out necessary information. It's very, very simple. It's a very straightforward process. And I wish you guys the best of luck.